Welcome to another new episode of our channel, and today I have come with the updates of day 4, 5, 6 and 7 of our intermittent fasting challenge week. By the end of the week, I have noticed that I have reduced 3 kgs, which is good for a week, right? Okay, for me, I like to take it slow, so I feel 3 kgs in a week is good enough. So I had recently done the updates of day 2 and day 3 for our challenge. Now let's move on to day 4, 5, 6 and 7. So on day 4, I did not have any breakfast as usual, but I broke my fast at like 11 o'clock with a slice of a watermelon, and then after some time I had my lunch. My lunch was 3 slices of pizza, and I normally have a habit of having some sweet after my lunch, so I had dark chocolate with nuts, and I'm happy with that. I just need something sweet. That's enough to just satisfy my sugar craving. Yeah, and day 4 was good enough with that, and I had my snack as well, guys. So I had my evening snack as a bread and egg sandwich. That's it. On day 5, we actually were celebrating Midsommar in Sweden. So we were invited for lunch to another friend's place. We had lunch from there, but it was all like Spanish omelette, then baked bread, some salads and things like that. Okay, so that was my lunch that day. And then after coming home, we did not have much. Actually, I did not have much. I just had a few pistachios, just as munching and crunching. That's it. And then on day 6, we were invited for another function, so we had to and we had lunch from there. So that day's lunch was biryani, chicken biryani, and I had sweets as well. So they had laddu, the motichur laddu, which is orange in color. I love that, so I had like, I think, 1.5 piece of the laddu. I could not eat more than, I took another piece but I could not eat it. So I was kind of full, because then you can understand that, you know, the routine you are taking is, your body is really getting adjusted to the way, to your habit. So it was very rainy that evening, so we had a cup of hot tea in that cold weather, so we felt good. That's it. That was for the day. Now moving on to day 7 and the last day of our week. I made chapati and egg curry, so we had that, and it was a light lunch. Okay, so yeah, during that normal evening snack time, I felt hungry, so I had scrambled eggs. So I actually want to add something, because when we came back home after the function, I mentioned that I had a lot of food. I mentioned that I had sweets and all that. So that day I had a detox drink, which I have already shared in my channel, and I will leave the link of this detox drink in the description box. It really works, guys. It's really good. Like, if you go for a function and you feel so full, then you can have this once you come home. Or even if you have like a stomach, if you felt, okay, I had my stomach full and I really feel so full, then you can have this drink. You'll feel so much lighter in the next few hours. Okay, also guys, I tried to add some seasonal fruit which was available during the week, like watermelon, pomegranate, then mango, apple, orange, banana, whatever you get. Just try to have one fruit in a day, at least one fruit in a day. And it's even good if you have it before breaking your fast. So, hope you all like this episode and this week's challenge. So, let's meet in the next episode, guys. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye bye.